This is Vibya Khan from grade 9 studying in Lakshya National School. Today we are here to observe and learn more about motions. And motions like upward motion, downward motion, motion on plane surfaces and inertia from our physical science third lesson, that is laws of motion. So first comes motion. Movement of any body is nothing but motion. Second comes downward motion. For this we need an inclined surface first. From here, if I throw a ball from here, if the surface is smooth, the ball will further travel. If the surface is perfectly smooth, the ball will travel until it gets encountered by another object. It picks up its speed due to the force of gravity of the earth. Then comes downward motion. For this, we need to throw the ball upward. Here we can see that the ball travels only a certain distance, then comes down. This happens because it has no reason to speed up or to slow down. This all happens due to the gravitational force acting on the ball.
Shafia Asra Fatima of grade 9 from Lakshya International School. Today I am going to perform an activity, motion on the plane surface. We should throw a ball on a plane surface. It has no reason to speed up or slow down. It moves on a constant velocity. And after some time the ball stops moving. This is because of friction and the ball is in motion. The object which is in motion always tries to be in motion until and unless we apply an external net force. This is called dynamic inertia. Thank you.